Zero aged receivables. What's exciting about that? Nothing. But getting on top of it, being able to consolidate them all from multiple Xero files, well, now that is something that's exciting. And that's exactly what Yasi built. Interactive dashboard. You can filter it however you want. You can see across all of your Xero files, and you can modify it and change it however you want. So Yazi is going to show us how it works. And if you can't wait that long, click on the link below. There should be a link straight to the template, and you can install it and play with it yourself. But yeah, I'll see you on the other side of this, and take it away, Yazi.
Hello, Wink user. Yasi here, and today I'm gonna show you about our new template, Zero Age Receivable. I know managing cash flow and staying on top of your unpaid invoices is very critical for any growing businesses. That's why we set up this template for you to have an all-in-one visual command center for tracking your account receivable, identifying overdue payments, and streamlining your collection process. So let's start. So on top of this dashboard, you will see we have added a smart search wherein you can input or search for the specific invoice number or contact name. Next to it is the date range. This is default for the last 12 months, but you can definitely adjust the date range. And we have added a filter for tracking categories, just in case you're using the tracking categories in Xero. Next is aging status. Here you will see all of the current aging status of your unpaid invoices, like starting for current up all the way up to 90 plus days overdue. And then the next to it is the invoice status. This template is using the sales invoice line. So here it is defaulted for awaiting payment. But if you wanted to see all of the other invoices that you have, the paid, the draft, and the one that has been voided, you can definitely see it here. So let's start now. At the top, you will see we have this total accounts receivable outstanding. This will show you the complete open accounts receivable balance. So in this example, in here we have 36,185.46 outstanding accounts receivable for all 22 invoices. Next is we have the total past due. This plugs how much of the balance has passed. So for this example, we have all of that 22 invoices, 87% of that are already past their due date. Next one is the severe overdue. So these were the invoices that were overdue for the last two 2 months. Next to it is the average invoice amount. We added this one so it will give you a quick baseline benchmark per client's invoices. Now moving on the accounts receivable aging schedule breakdown. This will provide you a clear graphical distribution of your all unpaid balances. This is categorized from current and 1 to 30 days overdue all the way up to the 90 plus days overdue. And also, this is an interactive chart. So, if let's say you're going to click the 61 to 90 days overdue, you will notice that it also updates or filter out the top widgets that we have here. All right. Then scroll down for the last part. Here, you will see our outstanding invoice receivable ledger. So this one, it has the breakdown of all of the invoices per invoice number, contact name, as well as the category. And it's also already color coded for the aging status. And this one is also defaulted for 5 rows only, but you can adjust the page row here on the top, and you also have a next button if you wanted to see the next page. And also you'll notice we have a sort option. So you can sort this one by contact name alphabetically or by amount, and also how many days this has been overdue. All right. So before we end this video, I'm just gonna scroll back in. You will notice we have this dashboard, instructions, and organizations. So for dashboard, if this is selected, you will see this dashboard that we have here. But if you go to instructions, you will see all the information about our dashboard. And on the right side, this is a sample AI prompt that you have. So this template is already good to go to use, but just in case you wanted to add another widget or probably change the color depending on your organization's theme, you can definitely do that by adding a prompt on the AI designer. All right. And then we have here a filter for all organizations. So just in case you have more than one organizations connected to Wink that have each their own Xero account, you can definitely filter them out here for you to view all of this, all of their awaiting payment invoices for those other Xero account that you have. So that's all we have for this video. Thank you for watching and see you to the next one.
Thanks, Yasi. That's amazing. And as I said before, there's a link below so you can install it, then run it. And if you get stuck, let us know and have fun with it. Make it your own. And remember, it's not magic, it's Wink.